got this package from Signature Market, and I don't remember any any company sending it for PR. So I'm just gonna open and see what's inside.
Sarah.
And there's a cat here. If it's a cat product, then I don't have any cat, so this is just strange.
Oh, your product lah.
Oh, this could be from Mango Tango Almond. This could be from Moy.
All two
Because
products.
no, this is nuts and oh, this could be from my best friend for Diwali. Oh, how cool!
Very treasure.
This is like okay. I think I know who this is from. This is probably from my best friend.
Oh, it's not supposed to be very expensive. All this.
Ma, don't say that on camera, ma. That sounds like I'm such a. Oh, okay.
All these nuts. Oh,
Yeah.
You're already camera.
I'm camera. This is going to go on YouTube. I don't know, huh? You all here doing stuff. All I don't know. Cannot. This one time.